Hey guys, welcome to Tech Channel, and my name is Cybrotic as usual. And today we're gonna be taking a look at these 5 best CSS websites that help web front-end development. So today we're gonna be taking a look at maybe in a layman's language. So let's just put it like today we're gonna be taking a look at the 5 best shortcuts. I don't know why I said shortcut, but maybe shortcut that make web development easy. No, not just web development. I mean the front end development. Yeah, you got it right. So today we're gonna be taking a look at the best CSS sites that can boost your front-end development, so and saves a lot of time, because as a front-end developer it takes a lot of time to sketch out your idea and build the prototypes and even writing your code in CSS. Some people might say CSS is easy. Yeah, right, CSS is easy, but what about the time it takes to think? So let's look at the side that help us think. Maybe help us think, like I said, help us think. So yeah, the top 5 sites, but hold up, before we go, just a little help from you. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn up the notification button, ding ding ding, so you won't miss any update like this. So let's go. Our first is Glassmorphism, which is created by Hype4. Oh, Glassmorphism is a CSS generator, blah 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 blah. But Glassmorphism is an awesome website where we can like get this glass effect without us changing our code, writing code, thinking. No, all we just have to do instead of thinking is just, oh, adjust this and this, oh, to your search factory, and let's choose color and maybe purple, so we can add outline. Then we're done. Just copy our code, boom, and put it in our CSS code, which is as easy as that. It saves the time of you thinking of your box shadow, your backdrop filter, stuff like that. It saves those time, which is awesome. Maybe awesome. So it's easy. So we're not gonna take time in this side because I want this video to be as short as possible. But if you want to know more about this Glassmorphism, you can check our video in the channel. I explain this, and yeah, you can see. But if you didn't find the one you want and you want us to explain on that, you can also comment down below, so we're gonna do a video on that. So our next is, yeah, you got it right, Neumorphism. You know it, maybe you don't. This is generate soft UI CSS code, which is awesome because do you use it? Maybe yeah, I use it. Yeah, I use it, but most time I don't come to this site, so I wrote the code myself and think of my radius, the blur, and the box shadow, stuff like that, which take a lot of time. So I'm like, why don't I come to this site, then just click some fuse button like this, change the direction, pick color, purple, and there's a little bit pink, so purple, and yeah, just adjust my size. Oh, awesome. Adjust my radius, so it's cool. Then distance of it, okay, and the intensity. You can see as everything is changing as I move it. Yeah, so we can add a blow. So the cool thing about this site is that we can even choose we want it to be wow inside, because this is awesome. This is what I'm talking about, because this saves time for me thinking and writing my insect 5 pixel minus 5 pixels 12 pixels blah 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 blah. So this saves a lot of time, yeah, for front-end development. So yeah, we're not gonna take time here, but if you want, you can the link to this site will be in below. You can even search it on Google. Yeah, Google your site Neumorphism, then you got it. So our third is Animista for animation. Yeah, CSS animation on demand. Try me, please. Ah, yeah. I'm gonna try it because I'm actually shooting a video on you. So why not? Wow. So there's a lot of options you can choose here, which is lot. Yeah, you can choose your rotate. You can choose scale up, scale down. Yeah. Choose this, any flips. So when you choose your flip, you can adjust it. Maybe you want the flip effect to be vertical forward here. Wow, awesome. Yeah, diagonal. So you can see everything is changing as we do it here. Flip. You can choose this time we want to use. Oh, let's make it take a lot of time. So like 1 second. Yeah, yes, we can do our timing. Yeah, when you use steps that takes like it has break and the animation, you can put the list, you can put your count if you want it to be infinite. You'll be going like that, then the video end. No, we don't want that, so we're gonna be, you can choose your direction. Maybe you want to be reverse. Wow. Alternate, reverse. Wow. None. A lot. I really love this site, but I don't use it a lot, so I think I'm gonna take my time and use this site to the fullest. Yeah, you also can use it because after we've done everything here, we're very easy. We can just click here and boom, our code is here. You can even minify it. You just cool. This is awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. So it saves. It saves. You can copy it, copy our keyframes, copy our class, which is cool. So cool. Because right now I'm done with my card animation. That reminds me of building something cool with this Animista. So well, let's go to the fourth one, which is the ultimate CSS tool for web designers. Oh, did I say web designers? Yeah, for front web designer, front end, which is Cssmatic. It's not secure. I don't know why, but maybe they're doing something on the site. But I was able to get to the site, so you can choose border radius, gradient generator, box shadow. Yeah, let's choose border radius. Let's see what we're gonna do. Awesome. We can adjust it here. We can put it here like 5 pixels. Okay, see, you can see it there. You can adjust the top left, so want it to be a bit and the bottom right to be something like this, like a leaf, maybe. Wow, this is actually cool. We can put our border width. We can choose the style, maybe it's inset or offset or dotted at least. We can choose a color. Yeah, this is actually cool. So you can check the gradient generator also, which is great because oh yeah, awesome. You can choose opacity, stuff like that, and we can copy our code. Wow, we even have access to Sass. If you want to use it in Sass, yeah. If you want to use it in CSS, yeah. This is actually cool, but we have to leave this site now because we don't want to take a lot of time. So if you want us to do something full video on this, you can comment down below also. So let's go to our last but not the least, Css Layout, which is the way I'm saying it is cool. We got 91 patterns. Wow, that is a lot. A lot for you to make a lot of money. Well, I'm not thinking of money, it's just how it sounds like. So, I don't know. So, let's go. We have layouts, we have navigations, we have inputs, we have display, we have we have feedback. Oh, just like patterns. Cool. Save a lot of time from you designing your prototype for your pattern. You can just come here and steal a look. Mind you, if your boss is around, I don't encourage you to do this. Because they're gonna be like, how come you're cheating? Is it cheating? I don't know. Most people might call it cheating, but to me, it's not cheating. It's just time saver. Time saver. So let's go. Let's check out our card layout, which is card layout. See, we got our card layout here. We can choose the related patterns like simple grid cards. So if you want to see the source, you can come here. You see, it's here. The way they did it, this is the CSS code. Cool. You can check for this simple grid. See, we can even use these for our skeleton, which is cool. So let's check other patterns like input, no. Display, nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, progress bar. Let's check that. Because it takes a lot of time to do a radial progress bar. So, and also radial progress bar makes your site looks, or did I say techie, or maybe let's just say awesome, because I don't want to use the word techie. So yeah, you can check the source, which is here. Awesome. This site is really cool. Maybe we're gonna do a video on this Css Layout.io. We're gonna build an amazing thing on this awesome site, which is great. Wow. Oh, so not bad. But we'll stop now. Yeah, we'll stop now. We don't want the video to be too long and too short. So if you want us to explain further on those 5 sites that help front end, you can comment down below so we can explain further and use it in some projects, which is cool. Yeah, are we done? Yeah, maybe this 5 is okay for you, except you want to cheat. No, not cheat. Maybe you want a lot of expo. Should I say expo or should I say shortcut? Yeah, let's use shortcut. So we're done. So if you like the video, you can comment down below and give us a thumbs up. And also do not forget to subscribe and put on your notification bell, which goes like ding ding ding, in case we put out these awesome tips, shortcuts and other things like gaming and coding, so you won't miss your chance. Thank you.